students, we are doing chapter number 5, quadratic equation in one variable, exercise 5.2. In last video we have done till question number 13. Today we will start from question number 14, first part. So 8 by x plus 3 minus 3 by 2 minus x is equal to 2. You can see here in denominator we have algebraic expression. When we have algebraic expression in denominator, then LCM will be the multiplication of these expressions. So when we will take LCM, it will be x plus 3 into 2 minus x, and this denominator will go this side and multiply with this number 8 into 2 minus x, and this denominator will go here, x plus 3 is equal to 2. Now multiply these inside the bracket, this number 8 to 16 minus 8x minus 3x minus 9, and this denominator we can shift another side. It is here in division. When we will shift another side, it will go for multiplication. So 2x plus 3, 2 minus x. Now simplify. 16 minus 9 is 7, minus 8 minus 3 minus 11x. Multiply these two bracket, 2x minus x square plus 6 minus 3x. You can simplify more. It will become 2 minus x square minus x plus 6. Multiply these 2 inside the bracket, minus 2x square minus 2x plus 12. Now shift everything one side. It will become 2x square plus 2x minus 12 plus 7 minus 11x is equal to 0. This thing is as it is. Now 2x square, 2x minus 11x means minus 9x, minus 12 plus 7 is minus 5. Now we have to multiply first and last. We will get here minus 10x square. Minus means we have to subtract the factor, and after subtraction minus 9 should come. So factors will be here minus 10x plus 1x. So we can write it as 2x square minus 10x plus x minus 5 is equal to 0. After this we can take out common 2 from first 2x, we can take out common from here. 2x we can take out common, then inside we have x minus 5. From last two 1 we can take common, then we have x minus 5 is equal to 0. Next x minus 5 we can take out common. First bracket is x minus 5, second bracket is 2x plus 1 equal to 0. Now if first bracket, if x minus 5 is equal to 0, then the value of x will be 5. And if second bracket 2x plus 1 is equal to 0, then the value of x will be minus 1 by 2. Second part, x by x minus 1 plus x minus 1 by x is equal to 2 whole number 1 by 2. So first we will take LCM this side. LCM of these two expression will be x into x minus 1. This x will come this side and multiply with this. It will become x square. And this x minus 1 we have to multiply with this. So it will become x minus 1 whole square. And this thing we can write as 5 by 2. Now cross multiply and parallelly we have to open this also. 2 will come here for multiplication, x square. This if you open the bracket you will get x square minus 2x plus 1 with the help of x minus 1 whole square formula. Then it will become 5 x square minus x. Multiply this x inside the bracket. So we have 2x square minus 2x plus 1 is equal to 5x square minus 5x. Remove this bracket also. 4x square minus 4x plus 2 is equal to 5x square minus 5x. shift everything another side. So we have now 5x square minus 5x minus 4x square plus 4x minus 2 is equal to 0. This thing we are shifting that side. So 5x square minus 4x square, we will get x square, minus 5 plus 4 means minus x, and minus 2 is equal to 0. Now multiply first and last term, we have minus 2x square. Do the factor of 2 such that after subtraction 1 should come. So minus 2x and plus x. Replace it with middle term. X square minus 2x plus x minus 2 is equal to 0. From first 2 x is common, and from last 2 nothing is there means 1 is common. So we have x minus 2 one bracket and another bracket is x plus 1. If first bracket x minus 2 is 0, then the value of x is 2, and if second bracket x plus 1 is 0, then the value of x will be minus 1. Next is 15th first part, x plus 1 by x minus 1 plus x minus 2 by x plus 2 is equal to 3. So first we have to take here LCM. LCM will be the multiplication of these two expressions, x minus 1 into x plus 2. So this expression will come here with first term x plus 1 into x plus 2 plus, and first one, this denominator will come with this x minus 1 is equal to 3. Now multiply these two brackets. After multiplication these two brackets, you will get x square plus 3x plus 2, and these two brackets if you multiply you will get x square minus 3x plus 2, and denominator after multiplication you will get x square plus x minus 2 is equal to 3. This denominator we can shift to that side, and here we can do simplification. X square plus x square 2x square, and 3x and 3x will cancel out, plus 4 is equal to 3x square plus x minus 2. Multiply 3 inside the bracket. 3x square plus 3x minus 6. After this, shift this thing also that side. Now 3x square minus 2x square will be x square, minus 3 plus 3x as it is, and 6 minus 4 is minus 10 equal to 0. Multiply first and last term, minus 10x square. We have to do the factor of minus 10 such that after subtraction plus 3 should come. So plus 5x minus 2x. 5 minus 2 is 3. Replace it with middle term. X square plus 5x minus 2x minus 10 is 0. From first 2 we can take x as common, then we have x plus 5. From last 2 we can take out minus 2 as common, then we have x plus 5. So factors are x plus 5 and x minus 2. If first bracket x plus 5 is 0, then the value of x will be minus 5. And if second bracket x minus 2 is 0, then the value of x will be 2. Next 15th means second part. First we have to take LCM here, x minus 3 into x plus 5. Second denominator will come at first place, first denominator will go at second place. So we will get here x plus 5 minus x minus 3 is equal to 1 by 6. Then simplify it, x plus 5 minus x plus 3. Then you will remove the bracket, minus and minus will become plus. Denominator, multiply these two and then you will get x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 1 by 6. We can see here this x to x will cancel out, plus x and minus x. We have 8 by x square plus 2x minus 15 is equal to 1 by 6. Cross multiply, 8 6 48 is equal to x square plus 2x minus 15. Shift to another side this 48, then x square plus 2x minus 15 minus 48 is equal to 0. We will get x square plus 2x minus 63 equal to 0. Multiply first and last, minus 63 x square. Factor of 63, after subtraction 2 should come. So plus 9x minus 7x. Replace it, x square plus 9x minus 7x minus 63 equal to 0. First two we can take x as common, x plus 9. Last two we can take 7 as common, x plus 9. Now we have x plus 9 and x minus 7 equal to 0. If the first bracket x plus 9, if x plus 9 is equal to 0, then the value of x will be minus 9, and if x minus 7 is equal to 0, then the value of x will be 7. Next question number 16, first part. A by ax minus 1 plus b by bx minus 1 is equal to a plus b, and a plus b is not equal to 0, ab also not equal to 0. So here this question we will do with trick. Simply we will not take LCM, because if we take LCM it will become lengthy. So this b we will shift here with this first term, and this a we will shift with the second term, and it will become equal to 0. Now here when you will take LCM, it will become ax minus 1, a minus b, ax minus 1. Similarly in second bracket LCM will be bx minus 1, and we will get b minus a, bx minus 1 is equal to 0. Now remove this bracket, a minus a bx plus b by ax minus 1, and second bracket will be b minus abx plus a by bx minus 1 is equal to 0. Now if you see carefully, this numerator in both the term is same. So this thing we can take out common. We can take out a plus b minus abx as common. Now we have 1 by ax minus 1 and 1 by bx minus 1 is equal to 0. Now at this step we will take LCM here. LCM will be the product of these two terms, ax minus 1 into bx minus 1, and here we will get bx minus 1 plus ax minus 1 equal to 0. Now this denominator, when we will shift another side, it will multiply with 0 and it will eliminate. After that we have a plus b minus abx, and in this bracket we have bx minus ax minus 2 equal to 0. This thing will eliminate. Now little more we can simplify. In this second bracket x we can take out common, b minus a minus 2 equal to, this is plus, b plus a minus 2 equal to 0. So we got two factors here. If first one is equal to 0, if a plus b minus abx is equal to 0, then a plus b is equal to abx, or x is equal to a plus b by ab. And if second bracket we will take equal to 0, if x b plus a minus, this b plus a is in this bracket and this minus 2 is outside. minus 2 is equal to 0. In that case, x b plus a is equal to 2. So x value will be 2 by b plus a. Next, 16th main second part, 1 by 2a plus b plus 2x is equal to 1 by 2a plus 1 by b plus 1 by 2x. So in this 1 by 2x we will shift this side. We will get 1 by 2a plus b plus 2x minus 1 by 2x equal to 1 by 2a plus 1 by b. Now we will take LCM both the side. This side LCM will be multiplication of these two denominator. This denominator will come this side and this will go that side. Right side also we will take LCM. LCM will be 2ab and here we will get b plus 2a. Now remove this bracket. We will get 2x minus 2a minus b minus 2x divided by 2x 2a plus 2b 2a plus b plus 2x is equal to a plus 2b 2a plus b by 2ab. Now this 2 we can cancel. It is both the side in denominator. We can cancel out. 2x minus 2x also will cancel out. We can take here minus as common. Minus 1 we can take as common. Then we have 2a plus b. And in denominator we have x 2a plus b plus 2x is equal to 2a plus b by ab. Now this 2a plus b also we can cancel out, and after that do the cross multiplication. We will get minus ab is equal to 2ax plus bx plus 2x square. This thing also we will shift another side. We will get 2x square plus 2ax plus bx minus a plus ab is equal to 0. Now from these two we can take out 2x as common. Then we have x plus a, and from last two we can take b as common. We have x plus a. So factors are here x plus a and 2x plus b is equal to 0. When the first bracket x plus a, if x plus a is equal to 0, then the value of x will be minus a. And if the second bracket 2x plus b is equal to 0, then the value of x will be minus b by 2. Next, question number 17. First we have to take LCM this side. LCM is the product of these two denominator, x plus 6 and x minus 10. This x minus 10 will come here and x plus 6 will come here, is equal to 3 by x minus 4. X plus x will become 2x minus 4 by, multiply these two brackets. After multiplication you will get x square minus 4x minus 16 is equal to 3 by x minus 4. So cross multiply it. 2x minus 4 into x minus 4 is equal to 3x square minus 4x minus 16. Multiply these two brackets. 2x square minus 8x minus 4x plus 16 equal to 3x square minus 12x minus 180. You can see here this minus, it will become 2x square minus 12x plus 16 is equal to 3x square minus 12x minus 180. Shift everything one side. 3x square minus 12x minus 180 minus 2x square plus 12x minus 16 is equal to 0. This thing we are shifting that side. So all the symbol will change. This 12x and 12x will cancel out. 3x square minus 2x square is x square minus 196. This we can write as x square minus 14 square, or a square minus b square formula we can use here. It will be x plus 14 and x minus 14 equal to 0. If x plus 14 is equal to 0, then the value of x will be minus 14, and if x minus 14 is equal to 0, then the value of x will be plus 14. Next one, 18th first part, root 3x plus 4 is equal to x. So first we will remove this root symbol. How we will remove? We will do squaring both the side. Squaring both the side. Then it will become 3x plus 4. After squaring, this root symbol will go, and another side we have x square. Now shift everything one side. X square minus 3x minus 4 is 0. Multiply first and last term, minus 4x square. Do the factor of minus 4x square. After subtraction, 3 should come, minus 3. So minus 4x plus x. Replace with the middle term. In first two, x we can take out common, and in last two, 1 we can take out common. So we have x minus 4 and x plus 1 is equal to 0. If first bracket x minus 4 is equal to 0, then the value of x will be 4. And if second bracket x plus 1 is equal to 0, then the value of x will be minus 1. Next, 18th second part, root x minus 7 is equal to 3 root 2. So same thing we will do here. First we will do squaring both the side. It will become x minus 7 is equal to 3 root 2 whole square. This we can multiply inside the bracket, and here 3 square is 9 and root 2 square will be 2. So it will become 18. 18 we can shift to this side. After this, multiply first and last term with symbol minus 18x square. Minus means factors we have to subtract. After subtraction, minus 7 should come. So factors are here, minus 9x plus 2x. X square minus 9x plus 2x is minus 18 equal to 0. In first two, x we can take out common, and in last two, 2 we can take out common. So we have x minus 9 and x plus 2, two factors here. If first one, x minus 9 is equal to 0, then the value of x will be 9. And if second one, x plus 2 is equal to 0, then the value of x will be minus 2. Next, question number 19. Use the substitution y is equal to 3x plus 1 to solve x here. So in this given equation, we have to replace it with y. So it will become 5y square plus 6y minus 8 is 0. Multiply first and last, you will get minus 40y square. Do the factor of 40 such that after subtraction 6 should come. So plus 10y minus 4y. Replace it with middle term, 5y square plus 10y minus 4y minus 8 is 0. In first two, 5 we can take out common, we have y plus 2. In last two, 4 we can take out common, then we have y plus 2. Minus because we have taken out common, so this minus also will become plus. We have y plus 2 and 5y minus 4 is equal to 0. If first bracket y plus 2 is 0, in this bracket now we will replace y. Y is 3x plus 1 plus 2 is 0. It means 3x plus 3 is 0, or 3x is equal to minus 3, so x will be minus 1. And if second bracket 5y minus 4 equal to 0, then 5y is equal to 4, or y is equal to 4 by 5. In place of y you can substitute value 3x plus 1. 3x plus 1 is equal to 4 by 5. 3x is equal to 4 by 5 minus 1, which you will get minus 1 by 5, and 3x, x is equal to minus 1 by 3 into 5. This 3 here in multiplication, it will go for division. So x value will be minus 1 by 15. Next, question number 20. Find the value of x if p plus 1 is equal to 0 and x square plus px minus 6 is 0. So first, in this given expression we will replace the p value. We have p plus 1 equal to 0. It means the value of p will be minus 1. So replace it here, x square minus 1x. Minus 1x means minus x we can write minus 6 equal to 0. Do the factor, multiply first and last term, minus 6x square. Do the factor of minus 6 such that after subtraction minus 1 should come. So minus 3x plus 2x. Replace it here. In first two, x we can take out common, x minus 3. In last two, 2 we can take out common. So we have x minus 3 plus, x plus 2 equal to 0. So if first bracket x minus 3 is 0, then the value of x will be 3. And if second bracket x plus 2 is 0, then the value of x will be minus 2. Next, question number 21. Find the value of x if p plus 7 is 0 and q minus 12 is 0. An expression is given, x square plus px plus q equal to 0. So first p value we will find out. P plus 7 is 0, it means the value of p is minus 7. And q minus 12 is 0, it means the value of q is plus 12. Now these values of x and y, p and q, we will substitute in expression. X square plus p means minus 7x plus 12 equal to 0. Multiply first and last plus 12x square. Do the factor of 12 such that after addition minus 7 should come. So factors of 12 will be minus 3x minus 4x. X square minus 3x minus 4x plus 12 equal to 0. In first two we can take out x as common, and in last two we can take out minus 4 as common. When we are taking minus as common, symbol will change. This plus will become minus. So we have x minus 3, x minus 4 equal to 0. If first bracket x minus 3 is equal to 0, then the value of x will be 3. And if second bracket x minus 4 is equal to 0, then the value of x will be 4. Question number 22. If x is equal to p is a solution of equation x 2x plus 5 equal to 3, find the value of p. So here this p, x and p are equal. So first we will solve this equation. X 2x plus 5 equal to 3. Multiply 2x square plus 5x equal to 3, or 2x square plus 5x minus 3 equal to 0. Now we have to factorize it. Multiply first and last minus 6x square. Do the factor of minus 6x square such that after subtraction 5 should come. So plus 6x minus 1x. Replace it with middle term. In first two we can take out 2x as common, then we have x plus 3. In last two minus 1 we can take out common, we have x plus 3. So two brackets are x plus 3 and 2x minus 1 equal to 0. If first bracket x plus 3 is equal to 0, then the value of x is equal to minus 3, and x and p is equal. It means the value of p is minus 3. If second bracket 2x minus 1 is equal to 0, then the x will be 1 by 2. So x and p are equal, p is also 1 by 2. Next question number 23. If x is equal to 3 is the solution of equation k plus 2 x square minus kx plus 6 equal to 0. Find the value of k and hence find the other roots of equation. So first we will substitute x is equal to 3 in this equation. Putting x is equal to 3 in given equation, we have k plus 2. 3 square is 9 minus k into 3 plus 6 equal to 0. So we have k plus 2 into 9 minus 3k plus 6 equal to 0. 9k plus 18 minus 3k plus 6 equal to 0. 9 minus 3, 6k, and this will be 24, which we can shift another side. So the k value will be minus 24 by 6 means minus 4. This k value we will substitute in given equation. So equation is here minus 4 plus 2 x square minus 4 x plus 6 equal to 0. So here we will get minus 2 x square plus 4x plus 6 equal to 0. We can take out here minus 2 common, then it will become x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. This thing we can shift another side and after division with 0 it will eliminate. So we have x square minus 2x minus 3 equal to 0. Do the factor of 3 minus 3 such that after subtraction 2 should come. So factors are minus 3 plus 1. X square minus 3x plus x minus 3 equal to 0. After factorization we will get here x we can take out common x minus 3 and second bracket 1 we can take out common x minus 3 equal to 0. So x minus 3 and x plus 1. One root is there, x is equal to 3. So another root is, if x plus 1 we will take equal to 0, so x will be minus 1. Other root is here minus 1. So this exercise has completed. Hope you understood this exercise. Thank you for watching this video.